In today's video, I'll show you how you can use LucidChart's collaboration features, real-time drawing with Teams. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your project in here. So I'm going to open my LucidChart, which is this one. I'm going to click here and open. And now that I am here, the next thing that I want to do is that I want to share this project by sharing a link. So to do that, I need to click here on the share button right here in the top right. And now just click here on shareable link, turn this on, and then click on copy link and make sure that the permission is either edit or edit and share so that they would be able to edit the work in here and then you'd be able to see them in real time. And now that I have copied that, I have this other browser right here just so that I can demonstrate on what's going to happen. So basically when you give the link and then this person or this member will now use this link and put it here on their browser, or when they click on that, they will now be prompted in here. And by the way, before they do this, I suggest that they log into their Lucid account first so that they would be prompted here without any problems. And now from here, they can now do their thing. So as you can see right here, you'd now be able to see that I'll be editing this. So I'll just put it just like that, just so that you could see right here on the side. So basically, as you can see right here, you can see my cursor on the other side. So that's the real-time collaboration feature here in LucidChart. As you can see, I would move this and then you could also see that on my other browser that I am moving it. So basically this would be what it would look like if you collaborate with other person. So you'd be able to see each other making progress or making work here in real time in flowchart. So you can edit, you can resize things, you can move things, you can basically do anything you want right here. So yeah, this is basically it for LucidChart's collaboration feature, which is the real-time drawing with Teams. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.